Ever wondered plum cake, which is sold at high prices at stores, is such an easy recipe made at home? So let's check out. First, caramelize the sugar until it is dark brown in color. When it is dark brown in color, add about 1 cup of water and to it add the dry fruits of your choice such as badam, pista, cashew, raisins and some tutti fruities. And cook this mixture for around 5 to 10 minutes so that all the dry fruits are cooked. Now in another bowl, take curd, sugar and butter. Beat them well. Another bowl, take maida, add baking soda, baking powder, vanilla essence, orange zest. When the caramelized dry fruits are completely cooled down, add that to this mixture and mix well. Adjust the consistency by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. The consistency needs to be thick, not runny for this plum cake recipe. Rich in dry fruits and healthy with no eggs and no alcohol. Easily made at home. Do try this recipe, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Aisham's Kitchen. To this greased tin, add the mixture, tap so that all the air bubbles are removed, then bake for around 45 to 50 minutes. So your plum cake rich in dry fruits is ready. Serve it and enjoy.